Good morning friends, a very important topic for those who want to make their career in SSB, and today we have two of our candidates, those who want to be an officers in defense. So all of you are ready?
Yes sir.
Okay, so among all of us, we have a gentleman, and we are proud of this person that his son got selected in RIMC, and today he is with us. He is from Delhi, and he will also participate in this interview. Okay, so RIMC, you know very well that students are going to become lieutenants and all this,
yes,
right?
Yes, sir.
So as your aim, you also want to go in SSBs, where our ultimate aim is same, right?
Yes, sir.
To serve our motherland. And Shekhar's father is already an army man,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Yes. And he has worked in army previously, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes, first of all, I would like to ask about the candidate. I want to know something about you. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Lavish Miglani. I belong to Shri Ganganagar, which is known as food basket of Rajasthan.
Okay.
It is also known as mini Punjab because of the crops which are being produced over here. The supplies are to the old Rajasthan is from here only.
Okay.
I am a graduate in law with 79% from MIT University, Rajasthan. Throughout my career, I have remained a first division holder.
Okay.
And I am also registered with as an advocate with State of Bar Council of Delhi, and I have also practiced in Armed Forces Tribunal under the supervision of Wing Commander Ajit Kakkar for more than 1.5 years.
Okay. So why you prefer JAG as your career? Why you want to go in this section?
So I want to go in this section because of my personal motto as well as my personal opinion, which some people say that it is conflicting.
Okay.
The opinion is that I think so the advocacy which is going in India, it is not a positive advocacy, it is a somehow negative advocacy, because everybody from here and now we come to hear that advocates are giving bribes, making the judges
right. Corruption is being there.
Yes, and they are not going in a positive way.
Right.
It is not good for me to serve as an advocate to our nation. It is also a public serving job. It is a profession for a public serving, public at large. But nowadays it has become a very negative profession that it is going downwards.
Okay.
And yes.
So very good. I really appreciate your concern. Yes, Mr. Chandrasekhar, I want to know something about you.
So I am Chandrasekhar Jha. I belong to Bihar, but I recently lived in Rajasthan. I have completed my graduation from Maharaja Ganga Singh University, and I scored a 68%.
Okay. And you belong to Bihar particular.
Yes, sir.
Even the gentleman who is sitting with us, native place. Yes, sir. You're also in Bihar only.
Yes.
Yes. So presently he is staying in Delhi, no doubt. But since you are from Bihar, definitely which place we would like to ask?
Sir, Darbhanga.
Okay. Can you tell good things, somewhat you know about Darbhanga?
Yes, sir. Darbhanga is connected to Patna.
Okay.
And we also know that Patna is in the center of the Bihar.
Okay.
And it is called only heart of the Bihar.
Okay.
So,
Okay, my question to you is, as I know already that your father is an ex-army man.
Yes, sir.
So why you what you learned from your father?
So I learned my father is that the discipline is must be in your blood.
Yes.
And I saw my blood and I saw my nations, and I think that I want to become like a father.
Very good. Yes, Kavish, I want to know about Rafale.
Sure, sir. So Rafale is a multi-role jet aircraft. The Air Force has demanded this aircraft from the government in 2001.
Okay.
But due to which we come to know that due to some political issues, political interference, we have not been able to get the Rafale due to the political interference. Because of that, it has been delayed for more than 16 years now, that we have not able to get the first because the fifth generation jet aircraft,
Okay.
which is the best in this particular time.
Okay.
And we are using the planes which are more than 40 to 50 years old, and our nation Air Force is suffering a very, very great loss. We have occupied for about 1200 and more than 1200 aircraft, out of which 568 has already been crashed. So it is a very major issue which should have been dealt about 15 years ago, and our Air Force would have been a much good level in the international as well as national security.
Very good. And about Garud?
So Garud is a commando force of particularly of Air Force. There was no commando force of Air Force before 2006. Only we were having commando force of Navy and Army only.
Okay.
In the Air Force campus also we were having commando forces of Army and Navy only. But in 2006 the Air Force came with the provision that we should also have our own commando force. We'll train them according to our needs. So that they can easily come to know that what are the problems which are being faced by the Air Force personnel while dealing with anything which is related to Air or Air Force or Army and Navy also.
Okay. And what about Indus Water Treaty?
So it is a treaty which is between India and Pakistan for more than 70 years, which the agriculture of Pakistan is completely dependent on this treaty. If the India stops water of Indus, Satluj, then Pakistan will not be able to produce even a single crop. It is so much important treaty to Pakistan.
Okay.
And it is our goodwill it is our good gesture toward Pakistan that we are not able to use a single amount of water of that Indus river or Indus treaty. The 3 rivers are included in those. I am not able to remember which 3 rivers, but it is a treaty based on which the Pakistan has made 3 dams which are producing a large number of electricity for Pakistan. If we stop that water, the states which are being facing the issues of water like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, if they get to use this water, India will be the best in agriculture sector in the whole world. It will be at its peak and no country can live without agriculture. India is already being known for its agriculture in the world.
Yes.
In various international treaties, WTO, India is making the points related to agriculture, how agriculture can be used at its best level. If we get to use this water, the Pakistan's agriculture can be completely depleted and India will be at highest level of agriculture.
Very right. Yes, Mr. Shekhar, what are your hobbies?
So hobbies are playing cricket and reading a motivational book that actually inspire me for serving my nation.
Very good. So how you are applying these motivational books in your life?
Sir, I read some books like Who Moved My Cheese.
Okay.
In that book, author want to say that we should concentrate our aim.
Okay.
And we should achieve our aim at any cost.
Very good.
So in my life, I want to apply that things.
Very good.
That's why I joined the Indian Air Force.
Okay. Yes, sir. You can have your question, please. आप भी कुछ पूछ सकते हैं, सर.
अभी रिसेंटली जो एक घटना घटी है उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं. अभी जस्ट 1-2 दिन पहले.
We have lost a very good person.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we have lost the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Manohar Parrikar. He is known as the simple living politician of India. There is no politician like him. He has also served our nation as a defense minister from 2014 to 2017. He has been 3 or 4 times the chief minister of Goa. The people of Goa loved him as their own family member.
Very good. You are having good. It means you are reading newspapers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, can you tell me the 3 different sectors in our defense?
Yes,
the
sir.
details.
Sure, sir.
Please.
So the 3 main defense sectors of our Indian nation is Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Army. All are completely separate from each other, but they are always in coordination to each other. As they all are separate, but somehow they get to be together in one or another situation. For example, Air Force bases. In Air Force bases or Air Force in construction of the roads of Air Force, they are asking to the army trained person who are best person who can build the best roads or best buildings or who can guard them best, who can train them best for them. Same as the Navy also. The Navy is also using the Air Force personnel to train the Navy pilots, the Navy suicide pilots. The training is given by the Air Force personnel only to them. It is not that particularly that Navy is being trained for them, but the Air Force personnel train them. They all have a different headquarters. They all have a headquarters at different places. Indian Air Force headquarters is at Delhi. The pension office DAVA is at Delhi. The Navy headquarters is at Delhi. But the pension office of Navy is at Mumbai. And regarding Indian Army, the main headquarters of Indian Army is at Delhi, but it has several headquarters. It has total 7 or 9 headquarters at in different states according to the geographical division.
According to the
Okay.
zones.
According to the zones.
Very good. So which one you like the most?
So when I was a child, as a young boy, I liked Air Force. I wanted to be a fighter jet pilot.
Okay.
I don't know why, but I was having an aim to serve or play a role for my nation as a fighter jet pilot. But due to some issues, I was not able to get through it, and I got the chance to become an advocate, and I chose to serve my nation being as an advocate, and I particularly chose Armed Forces Tribunal to serve and to learn so that I can contribute my existence for this nation, so that I can fulfill my dream as well as my aim as well as my childhood aim as well as, sir.
So why you think like in our India there is so much delay in legal processes? What is the reason?
So the major reason is that we are not having a proper system.
Okay.
And the other system, which is more than the system, is we are not having a particular number of judges,
Okay.
which should be present to deal with or adjudicate the cases.
Okay.
This is the major issue, but the government has started nowadays to appoint number of judges. We are having a trainee judges, but they are not as a complete judge. They are not given the post of a complete judge. Their cases are, or their orders are being challenged from one tribunal to the other.
Okay.
And the other thing is, which is the negative issue, is the corruption. Due to corruption, we are facing a lot of delay in the dealing of cases or in the decision of cases. Because
So how can we say that? What are the possibilities? Like how can we change this problem, or we can solve this corruption problem?
So the thing is transparency.
Okay.
There is no transparency in meeting the judges, in meeting of the judges. We are keeping them apart from the civilian society, as we are keeping our defense personnel. We are not keeping them in a common society. We want them to be separate so that they should not be falsely used or manipulated. The same way we are keeping the judges as well.
Right.
But somehow the system is such in a bad condition that they get to reach to the judges also.
Yes, yes.
It is not on the table, but everything is under table. It may be noted that don't have any proof or something, but as we all know somehow or the others that this thing is being continued and no one is taking steps to get rid of it.
Okay.
It is not a good thing for a developing nation,
Right.
as well as for any nation or any developing or underdeveloped or developed nation, but this should be this should be taken away.
Okay, Mr. Shekhar, you tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses?
So strength is that I am a punctual man, and I should believe in hard working and team spirit. And weakness is that I have to improve my handwriting and the fluency of my communications.
Okay. So I hope students that whatever we have learned today, there is this particular session, you must have learned so many new things and so many new topics I have raised from my candidates, and they answered well. So how do you feel my question to you at PD classes? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Sir, the questions, I think the improvement are fluency and the knowledge also.
Okay.
It's upgrade our knowledge also.
How do you find this 7 days course?
So I find this course very important for everyone, because it takes out the phobia in us. It brings the real thoughts, the thoughts which are in us but we are not able to take out from our tongue. It is up to here, but we can't bring them out.
Okay.
This is the real plus point of joining the PD classes.
So many people are having this fear that within 7 days, how can it be possible to develop somebody? For those, what are your views? Can really be within these 7 days we can change?
Yes, sir. We can change if we get the proper environment which is being provided here. It is not provided to us at other places, or I would say at our normal way of living. We are not provided those
Yes,
Place
definitely,
platforms.
because in our lifestyle we don't get opportunity to interact with people, and here you get this opportunity.
Yes, sir.
See, here we teach you a lot, like more than your expected timing, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. So don't you get fed up with this particular education?
No, sir. I don't think so because if we spend 6 or 7 or 8 hours, we should upgrade our knowledge.
Okay.
We should have an environment.
So sometimes I remain very strict and scold you very in bitter manner. So don't you feel annoyed from me?
No, sir. We get to learn from that. That this is our mistake. We should learn from that. Scolding is not that we should be taken as it is a negative way. It is in a positive way.
Okay. So you take everything positive.
Yes, sir.
So here we suggest our candidates visit here for 7 days practices. Definitely your aim, your education, dedications, we are always with you. And within this 7 days tenure, your food and accommodation are placed by PD classes. Whether you are going for SSB or any other interview, we are ready to help you out. Other than that, you can avail our classes telephonically, you can avail our books. But the most important thing that we have provided you 1100 above videos in our YouTube channel. So you can enjoy those videos, you can learn over there totally free of cost. So it's the right time, students. I want your best wishes for both of my candidates. Please, in your comment box, give him best wishes and both of them should be selected. I want this thing because when you go to our SSB playlist, you will find so many people over there. Today they are left in it because they visited PD classes and they have struggled hard. So my best wishes to you. You will definitely get selected. To you also, you will also definitely get selected. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Nice. Very good.